Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Afghan cuisine is known for its incredibly rich flavors, although it's a little mild when it comes to spiciness. Today I'm going to share this wonderful chicken recipe. This is Afghani chicken or chicken Afghani, which is actually made with a nice rich cream sauce. The key is in the marination, and this is best served with some nice roti or naan by the side. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. First, I'm going to grind a paste for the marinade. To a mixer jar, add 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 6 large green chilies roughly cut up, 8 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 large piece of ginger chopped. Next, add a cup of coriander leaves. Grind everything to a nice fine paste. Transfer the ground masala paste to a bowl. So for the marinade, I'm going to add a couple of other ingredients. To the ground masala paste, add 1 cup of fresh curd, half cup of fresh cream. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt. Now you can adjust the salt according to your taste. 2 teaspoons chaat masala powder, 2 teaspoons pepper, and 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, and the juice of half lemon. So just mix everything together. So I'm just using a whisk so it all blends well and you get a nice smooth marinade. So after mixing the marinade, check for seasoning. If you need a little salt, you can add at this point. For chicken Afghani, I've taken 1 kilo of chicken. It's a mix of chicken drumsticks and thighs. Make a couple of slits to the chicken pieces. So this way, when you marinate the chicken, it'll be nice and juicy and it'll have a lot more flavor. Pour the marinade over the chicken pieces. Make sure it's all coated well. Once you've mixed the marinade with the chicken pieces, let this sit for about 1 hour. So next we're going to fry the chicken pieces. For this, take a nice white pan, pour about 3 tablespoons of oil, gently place the marinated pieces into the pan. Fry the chicken pieces for about 15 minutes. Make sure you flip the pieces and let it fry on all sides. So you can see the chicken has come to a lovely golden brown color. Remove the fried chicken pieces from the pan and keep it in a plate. Next, to the same pan, add a few spices. I'm just adding 2 cardamom, 3 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon. You don't want to waste this oil. We're going to cook the marinade in the same oil. Cook the marinade on medium flame for about 10 minutes. So you can close the pan and cook because it will tend to splatter. So next we're going to cook the chicken pieces with the gravy. After 10 minutes of cooking the marinade, gently drop the fried chicken pieces into the pan. Just mix everything slowly. Make sure all the pieces are covered with the gravy. Close and cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. So you can see after 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked beautifully. The chicken has cooked along with the marinade. Got this lovely gravy here. So if you feel your masala or the gravy, that is the marinade, is too thick, you can always add about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water to get the right consistency. Here is this absolutely delicious chicken Afghani. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. So here is this incredibly delicious and rich chicken Afghani. Now this is best enjoyed with some nice kulcha, naan or roti by the side. The flavors are a bit mild, but they're incredibly tasty. So make sure you follow all the steps to get the dish perfectly. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.